it in and push it. Yep. Hold it. Let go. Now break it up. Oh, you put it all the way in. Now break it up.
Wow. That's crazy. Look at that.
Let's see. Oh yeah, that's.
Yeah? Can I do one more?
Yeah.
So.
Get your man here. Don't pull your trigger until you're ready to do it. And then look at that's the same thing.
Like that. You want me to do this one or this one? This one?
Yeah.
Jeez. When it lets go, it just like.
Really? Have you put it back
Crazy.
in?
Wow, I gotta see that. Oh, yeah.
Snug.